Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Nasir here. अच्छा सीन ऐसा है कि I'm at network school और ये उनका co-work space है, right? You can see. So this is like the greatest thing that ever happened to me in my journey, to be honest, or trying to figure it out my life, what do I have to do. और network school के बारे में थोड़ा बताता हूँ. It's just a place where every founder, every entrepreneur, every hustler, you, me, everyone is there. Balaji is the founder. He's building a space जहाँ पे ये सारे लोग आएँ और enjoy करें, देखें एक दूसरे से क्या कर रहे हैं, कोलैबोरेट करें, बिजनेस करें. एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मेरी लाइफ की ये पहली ट्रिप है, पहली बार मैं बाहर आया हूँ. इट इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम डूइंग एवरीथिंग. सो लव टू बालाजी, थैंक्स टू बालाजी टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड हिज पीपल एंड हिज आइडिया. और यहाँ पे अनरियल है सारा. सो आई एम अबाउट टू गेट यू गाइज इन, शो करूँगा व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. एंड हे गाइस, सो people are fucking amazing here, bro. I love them. I don't want to leave, to be honest. मेरा 30 तारीख को वीजा एक्सपायर है. I want to be the long termer here. अच्छा, मैं उस सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बताता हूँ. Now I'll let you guys know कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या होता है. So you can see like there is the, let me do this out. So let me see. These are the private rooms that they have, right? And let's go in. So guys, these are the vibes here. So this is like the quiet zone, right? You can see here's our beautiful person here that will assist you with everything. And here's like the private room. If you guys have a team, they can also come here, work it out, and do other stuff, right? Well, there are like some amazing people here. And say hi. Hello guys. Here's the private room. Here's one. Here's two. Then we have everything here, like working, locked in, and you get the free coffee, free water, free ice, free food as well. See, right? So again, they are the junior discussion that we're doing. This is like the quiet. This you can talk here, but obviously everyone's working here, so you don't want them to disturb. And here, you can like do your meetings or stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. You can also rent these because the hotel is about 10 to 15 minutes of walk. So if you don't like to walk, don't waste time, or you're hurry, you can like go in. And everyone is like so lovely, so enjoyable, and hello, getting you in the content. It's fine, right? Yeah. So thanks, guys. This is the whole thing. So people are from everywhere, from every corner of the world. If they are a builder, they're a founder, they're an innovator, they're like doing their thing. And that's the thing. That's a crazy thing about this place. So this is the thing. And yeah, we got everything here. So this is just a ground floor by the way. And this is not even the hotel. This is just a co-work space. So I'm about to be going, and everyone is working there. So I have to like keep my voice low, So let me just give you some shots.